Do you remember as a kid how you liked the stories of heroes and wealth, the stories of glory and great wars? Let me tell you a short story. Once there was a coin, so powerful and so popular that everybody talked about him, and everybody wanted to be that coin. People collected money just to be invested in this coin and just to have something with this powerful figure. Then a day came when things went down, when something horrible happened to this coin. After that, people were no longer talking about the coin. People were ashamed of this coin and even panicking when everyone mentioned this coin. The fear came deep into the hearts of those people, of those investors. Today is one of those days, and today was not the day for a Chainlink, but regarding the fear that I see you are experiencing right now as your coin Chainlink is going below $9, eyeballing the $8 with minus 14%. We had to make this emergency video so you people could become once again a part of the popular and power story with a happy ending. So if you are a little bit interested about this fairy tale, about the story of the hero Chainlink and its ups and downs, after you subscribe to this channel and before we dig any deeper into the story, roar with Chainlink. Once there was a kingdom, the Crypto Kingdom, and this kingdom had one king, a Bitcoin, a Bitking, with many knights and many heroes that roamed the land. But the day came when blood roamed the streets. The fear was present and embedded deeply into the hearts of these heroes, and also all the people and investors that admire the heroes. Today we are talking a short story about Chainlink, one of the heroes that got hit pretty hard in this battle. But what people didn't know is that as every fairy tale and as every story, things end well in the ending, and their beloved hero that their once celebrated will rise again like a phoenix from the ashes. Let me show you the picture of Chainlink on the canvas of a weekly chart that will tell us the story of fall and the rise of the chosen one. The story of Chainlink was told many times on this channel foremost, but people never listen, and they only hear what they want to hear. Like with magic ball, we predicted the fall of the chosen one. We knew that this was the peak and that downside is coming. We knew that this was the line that will hold Chainlink back, pushing it right to the abyss of the Crypto Kingdom. We saw that story 1 year ago, 2 years ago, but people again never listened. I would suggest you read the stories of Chainlink that we wrote, that we recorded for you days, weeks ago. You will find all your answers for today's flash crash that we're talking about. But as our hero, as our main protagonist had a great fall, you are now looking for a hope, for a light at the end of the tunnel. And as I said, every story, every fairy tale has a happy ending, where I'll say they lived happily ever after. This is one of those times. Let me give you the light at the end of the tunnel. Let me give you hope that I feel that you really need, because that fear is eating your heart, and that fear is eating your account. And please, before we dig any deeper, once again I advise you to watch previous videos about Chainlink to know the basics that we discussed many times and why today's flash crash is happening. Nonetheless, let me present you the reason number one that hero Chainlink will rise from this abyss. First of all, I will use Fibonacci to see why things are happening and why you should not panic. I will use this swing low and this swing high to calculate our Fibonacci levels of support. There it is. Let's zoom in a bit. This is the closest that we can get. And can you see what is happening at the moment? Fear not, because we are only traveling to the predicted level of 61.8%. Algorithm retracement. We are just where we wanna be. Let me point out this for you. We said that for a healthy uptrend and for our heroes to rise again, we need to have a healthy pullback. This is the day when this is happening. So once again, fear not. If we breach the level of 61.8, then we can talk about some panic. But not even then. What I'm expecting from this level is a bounce to the upside. This would be a properly and normal behavior of price. And you would not be panicking, right? I hope by now you have some peace of mind. At this moment, our hero, Chainlink, is starting to recover, regaining some strength for new adventures. But maybe this is not a proof enough for you. Chainlink is right where it should be. Let me present you with a case number 2. This is our 20-week moving average. And behold its glory. Where are we now with Chainlink price? As predicted a week ago, we are touching the 20-week moving average, or almost touching it by few cents. I will count this as a touch. Ladies and gentlemen, please understand that this was the only healthy and reasonable thing for a Chainlink to do after we bounce from this 20-week moving average. Then prepare to see your hero, your phoenix, rise from the ashes and march into the bright future. I expect this kind of behavior from Chainlink. So, dear people, dear inhabitants of the crypto kingdom, is this enough for you to have a peace of mind? Is this enough for you to not call a Chainlink a dead coin? The Chainlink is stronger than ever. It just needed some rest after a battle of its life. Embrace this flash crash and look up to the future. Check out my previous videos to know why things are happening. Smash the like if you liked the story that was pretty short but simple to understand. And until the next story in our crypto kingdom, let's roar!